Welcome to this quick tutorial about Mural. Yeah, it's been a while, I guess. Today it's all about PNG, and let me just make it bigger because it's going to be hard. 20,000, 20,000, it's going to be good. And I'm just going to recreate this one and give you some tips. So one thing I use more and more nowadays in Mural, it's when you're doing a picture search. So you can say like tree. And I could have, let's say, palm tree. So I would have this, for example. But it's a bit hard to use in a background, as an asset. You want to crop it and get just the tree. So what you could do also is to write GIF after palm tree. So maybe you would get some palm tree GIF. I guess not now, but it should work. Let's refresh. Palm tree GIF. Here we go. And we could have something like this, which is pretty decent because you can see it's moving. But what we want in this case is to say palm tree PNG actually, and this works. And you have already perfectly cropped palm tree, like this one that I use, I think. So I think this is a great thing to use when you search a picture in the library and in Mural, you just add PNG space PNG, and then you can get a lot of assets, and that's how you can get like this tree, and actually the sun, and actually the sea, and everything is separated. Now, what we can do, second thing, if it's not working, if you cannot find what you want, you can just go on internet and write, let's say, jet ski. Let's say we want to do jet ski, and you don't always find a PNG picture easily. So let's try something. Let's take this one. Yeah, I'm going to myself, and let's just take it like save picture, whatever. And now you just go and type. I think it's background. Remove. What's the site already? Yeah, remove.png. And you click here, and it's free, and you can do it all the time. So you just add a picture. In my case, this jet ski, and you can notice that I took already one. Use the white background, it's going to be faster, but it works even if there is water or something. And I just put it here, and up instantly it's cropped. I download it. It's here. And then I just go back to my Mural, my download file, so here, and my jet ski cropped. And up. Now I have a nice jet ski as well. So yeah, that's it for today. Remember, add PNG when you are making a picture search in URL to get PNGs. And if you cannot find what you want, download on Google directly and use the remove.bg. Where is it? Here, remove.bg, and you can do it for free and as much as you want. So thanks for watching, and talk soon.